What's up guys, it's your boy AB Cooking. Today I'm gonna just show you one of the easiest recipes you ever seen. 5 different ways. And all you need, some bread, eggs and greens. Let's start. The first way. Take a slice of toast and cut a circle out of the middle. You can use a small jar or cup. Chop the greens finely. Take 1 egg, beat it into a plate. Add pepper, salt and herbs. Mix well. Add a piece of butter all over. When the butter is heated, add the toast. Put the eggs and greens inside on the fire.
2 very boring minutes.
After a few minutes, turn it over and insert the circles that we cut out earlier. In a minute, our toast is ready. Decorate with herbs and Parmesan. Second method. Take the toast, cut out a square. Cut greens and sweet peppers. Beat 1 egg. Add sweet pepper followed by herbs. Salt, pepper, stir. Add oil to the skillet. Put our toast on fire. Then add eggs and herbs. Cut 2 slices of mozzarella. Put in the middle of the toast, cover with a square, turn the toast over and return it to the fire. After a minute, our dish is ready. Decorate and watch how our cheese toast stretches. Third method. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Salt, pepper. Chop the herbs. Add and mix. Dice 2 pieces of toast. Add to the eggs. Choose a large plate. Stir. Dice sweet peppers. Add oil to the skillet all over. Add our sliced toast and eggs to the heated skillet. Turn it over.
Damn!
Top with grated mozzarella. Smear with tomato paste. Add sliced peppers. More mozzarella. After a few minutes, our dish is ready. We put it on a plate to decorate with Parmesan. Fourth method. Chop green onions as well as herbs. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl, season with smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Add all the chopped herbs. Dip toast on both sides. Add butter to the skillet all over on fire. To the heated skillet to add the toast. Pour a little of our mixture on top on fire. Meanwhile, we grate the mozzarella. Turn our toast over, add mozzarella, stack the toast together. Fry on both sides. Garnish with Parmesan. Fifth method. Cut a square, a circle and a triangle from the toast. Meanwhile, preheat our oven at 200 degrees. Put on a pan. In the middle of the toast we put the mix. Wait, where is the mix? You can see in our previous videos, the link in the description. We put the mixture in the middle of each toast. Place in the oven for 7 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Take the toast out. Flip them over. Add grated mozzarella on top. Add back in the oven for a few minutes. Place on a plate. Garnish with Parmesan. You can also use herbs. And yes, we paid for the toast on the stove. Thanks if you watched this far. It means you like what we are doing. You should subscribe and give us a like for our efforts. See you soon.